Hey, Celeste, it's me, the Amish Andy, living off the grid, literally. Power's out, safety and security at risk on a daily ongoing basis. Why? I know you know. Those heinous overreach by those individuals and entities of paranormal, abnormal, certainly subhuman behaviors of those who would arrest an innocent senior forced into early retirement civilian officer of program benefit delivery management systems with the work sharing unit that won an ADM award. That's right, Deputy Minister's Award as an essential worker during the lockdown, right before canceling the destination wedding. And you know, Kid Carson, I might not have the funds now. Obviously, they're cutting me off everywhere, even my credit line. It's a HELOC that needs 2 signatures instead of exclusive rights to the responsible person who's paid his mortgage on time every month for the past 5 years. And now they're going to lock him out based on financial institution contract laws that don't apply to a financial hardship that's easily proven to be detrimental with the ongoing felonious, repeated misuse of police services and false, baseless accusations and allegations that have no merit whatsoever for charges and warrants for my arrest, considering the circumstances of being a wanted criminal on the same day that I'm awarded 2 certificates signed by the Prime Minister and Chief Operating Officer in January